the only game show where bureaucracy is fun. Today we follow Anson Sdn Bhd, a construction company now is winding up, and a group of eager predators ready to battle it up. Let's meet with our contestants.
I'm BIMB Bank. We gave Anson Sdn Bhd their first big loan amounting to 100,000 ringgit with a fixed charge. We are the real OGs here.
RM Bank Penaga, we loan 150,000 ringgit secured by floating charge, and yes, we registered on time.
I'm Sam. There's a small time creditor with a big time fixed charge. I am 50,000 and I followed the rules.
I am Walker. I represent the hardworking employees. We are owed 15,000 ringgit in unpaid wages. Money we earn through sweat and struggle.
I am the legal expert. I don't play games, I interpret the law. And today, I determine who really get paid first, based on the Companies Act 2016.
Here's the scoop. Anson Sdn Bhd was a promising construction firm, but due to COVID-19 and delays from the movement control order, their projects got stuck and the finances crumbled. Let's take a look at what happened. It's time for the pitch round. Contestants, make your case. Why should you the first in the line for repayment?
We were the first lender. Our fixed charge gave Anson the capital it needed. We deserve to be on the top.
Section 352 of the Companies Act 2016 says otherwise. Features must be registered within 30 days of creation on their right against the liquidator and other creditors. Yours wasn't registered.
Oh no, that means the MB is out of priority line. What? But we were first.
But timing means nothing without proper registration law. Sorry.
Well, our floating charge was registered properly and we put a clause priority. Other charges that were equally applied.
True, your charge was registered. But under Section 392, floating charge ran after fixed charge and after preferential debts like workers and wages. Also, your clause can't override statutory rights.
Even without for us to get pushed down the ladder?
Yes, Companies Act priorities public interest and security hierarchy.
Let's talk about my fixed charge. I am 50,000 ringgit, registered properly, and that's put me ahead of any floating charge, right?
Absolutely. You follow the law. You are secure. Fixed charge, when registered, get priority over floating charge.
Looks like being smart and smart wins the games.
Hold on. Why we all chase profit? We just want our unpaid wages. The court ordered 15,000 ringgit. We depend on it.
Section 392 gives employees up to 15,000 ringgit in unpaid wages over even secured floating charge. You are really top.
Oh, I'm really thankful. Thank you. We work through rain and sun. We deserve justice.
Next round, know your act. Each correct answer will get you to the top. Ready? Question number 1. What section of the Companies Act 2016 invalidates unlisted charges?
Section 352. Correct. Yes.
Question number 2. Who takes priority over floating charge holders?
Employees and managers take charge.
Right again.
Let's move on to the last question. Question number 3. What's the significance of registering a charge?
It secures priority in case of insolvency.
Well said.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The final payment order under Malaysia's company law.
I can't believe I'm in the last ranking, or just because we didn't register.
That's how the law works. You may have been the first to learn, but you failed to protect your legal interests. Alright, let's do a quick recap what we have learned today. First, registration matters. If a child isn't registered, it is a void. That's under section 352. So, no registration, no protection. Second, fixed charges beating floating charge. But only if they are registered. If not, they lose their power. Third, employees' wages come first. Under section 392, workers can claim up to 15,000 ringgit before any floating charge gets paid. The last one, floating charge. Clause don't override the law. The Companies Act always comes first, no matter what the contract says. Next, in the case in Uniworld versus Houseworks back in 1904, Lord Benjamin explained that the difference between specific and floating charge like this. A specific charge attached straight away to clearly identified assets, something definite like a building or a machine. But a floating charge is more flexible. Hovers over a group of changing assets, like stock or invention, and doesn't lock onto anything specific until something happens, like the company goes into liquidation or breaks the terms. Only then it crystallizes and fixes itself onto the asset. So just remember, register your charge, know your priority, and don't mess with the law. In winding up, the law favors fairness, clarifying, and timely registration. That's all.
That's all for this episode of Who Gets Paid First. Remember folks, when it comes to loans, don't just let it, register it. Until next time, stay legally secure. Bye and know your law.